As you go through life, people will hurt you, mistreat you, and cheat you. You will be disappointed in people. Your trust will be broken. This is guaranteed. When you go through negative experiences, almost all your negative emotions are rooted in anger, blame, and resentment, which usually means that someone else has done or not done something to make you unhappy. When you feel you are drowning in negative thoughts, simply say to yourself, "I am responsible for how I feel right now." Instead of blaming, accept responsibility for the situation. Taking responsibility does not mean blaming yourself. It simply means that you won't allow others to be in control of your emotional state. Your mind can hold only one thought at a time, positive or negative. It can hold the positive emotion of personal responsibility, or it can hold anger, resentment, or any other negative emotion. You are not responsible for all the terrible things others do to you. You may have been robbed, cheated, or physically traumatized by someone. Accepting responsibility does not mean what happened to you was right, and it does not free the other person from their responsibility and liability. By accepting responsibility, you give yourself a chance to learn and grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? What does this situation teach me about the person who made me unhappy? Instead of thinking about the negative emotion over and over, think about what you could have done better. Think about the decisions you made leading up to the unhappy situation and use that information to understand yourself. You may not be responsible for what happened, but you are responsible for your responses. From this moment onward, in every negative situation, use your mind to overcome all the negative emotions you feel by simply accepting responsibility.